master is PG, doctora is research. Okay, so whatever they want to study, they will study, or if they want to study all the three also, they will go to university. Okay, so this is the end of the education. Now we are going to see some of the special schools. Special schools means it's not school. Here it is some, how to say, if for example you belong to computer science department, we have a school called computing, school of computing. So under school of computing you have different departments like IT, like artificial intelligence, software, all these departments comes under school of computing, right? So same way, these are some of the special colleges where they learn specifically some professional course. Okay, so these are important. And ENA, the full form of ENA is École Nationale d'Administration. What is École Nationale d'Administration? What if you want to be, you have to study in this college. If you want to become an administrative officer of the state. Okay, if you want to become an administrative official, you will go to this college, ENA, that is ENA, École Nationale d'Administration. Okay, now École Nationale d'Administration forme les cadres de l'État. Cadre means administrative officers. Okay, so if you want to become an administrative officer of the state, État means state. If you want to become an administrative officer of the state, you will go to this college. Next is École Polytechnique. École Polytechnique forme des ingénieurs et des scientifique. So École Polytechnique. So in Indian term, polytechnic means it's some professional course. Okay, you will study for 2 years or 3 years and then you will go for some job. But in France, polytechnique means it's engineering college. École Polytechnique means engineering college. So École Polytechnique forme des ingénieurs et des scientifiques. So if you want to become an engineer or a scientist, you will go to École Polytechnique. Next is HEC. HEC is École des Hautes Études Commerciales. So if you want to become an economist or a business person, you will go to HEC. Okay, HEC, it's one of the best college in the world to learn business administration. Okay, HEC, École des Hautes Études Commerciales, forme les élites du monde de la finance et du commerce. Okay, so if you want to become a business administrative person, so then you will go to HEC, okay, which is in Paris. Next is ENS. ENS means École Normale Supérieure forme les futurs enseignants. Enseignants means professors or teachers. So if you want to become a professor or a teacher, you will go to ENS. Now, what you have to learn in this is, you have to learn the abbreviation and the expansion and also the explanation. Sometimes they will give blank and then they will say forme les cadres de l'État. Okay, this part they will give as a question and you will be having the blank here. So you should be able to write it as École Nationale d'Administration, or sometimes they will give the abbreviation. So you have to write it as École Nationale d'Administration. Clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is Enseignement Supérieur Court. So these are some short-term courses, 2 short-term courses. As you are engineering students, this book is prescribed for engineering students. They have prescribed some 2 engineering courses. Okay, short-term courses. We call it as stage. Stage means some 2 months or 3 months courses. Okay, so it's just an introduction for you, nothing much to explain here. BTS means Brevet de Technicien Supérieur, and EUT means Les Instituts Universitaires de Technologie. So these are some schools where they offer the short-term courses. Okay. Here what you have to study is, you have to learn the abbreviation and the expansion, that's all, nothing much. Clear with this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so with that we are completing, I have completed my part of teaching you unit 2 and unit 3. Okay, now we are going to do some exercises based on unit 2 and unit 3. For unit 2 assignment I have already given and you have also submitted, some haven't submitted yet, that's okay. Now we are going to do some worksheets and some unit 3 exercises or unit 3 assignment topics we will be discussing today. Okay, so and next class onwards we will be concentrating on audio for your CT2. Okay, so I'll play some audio and I'll make you to listen, and then we will do some exercises based on audio. So far we have seen only the theory part. So hereafter we will be seeing the audio. So the theory part for CT2 is over. Okay, next now we are going to concentrate in audio. Clear with this? What we are going to do today and the next classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now we saw directions and prepositions. I hope you remember directions and prepositions. Okay, so we'll do some exercises based on directions and prepositions. This is mainly for your audio exam, okay, practical exam. So sometimes in the audio exam, they will give directions. So they will play you an audio and they will give a paragraph with blanks. Okay, so you have to listen to the audio and you have to choose the answer, which word will come for that particular blank. Okay, where you have to fill. So this is one method. The other method is they will give a direction like this, okay, a map like this, and based on the map they will give you some paragraphs. So you have to see the map and you have to find out the way and you have to fill the blanks, or you have to choose the words for these blanks. Okay, so these are the two types of exercises you may get in the audio exam. Okay, so we are going to practice both. Okay, I guess for CT2 most probably it will be you will be listening to an audio and you will be marking the answers, but this may come for your CT3 or semester exam. So all the possible things we will practice in the class, so you will be ready for the exam. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I going too fast?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now you have learned the directions and prepositions, right? You have the notes with you. Have the notes, take the notes, just go through that vocabulary. I want you to learn this. Okay, just go through this. What is alley? What is prompt? What is tourne? What is fair? What is traverse? What is straight? What is right? What is left? All those vocabulary. Go through it. 5 minutes time for you to do the revision. And after that, we will start with the exercise. Okay, done. Shall we start the exercise? Yes.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is this picture? Guys, I don't want only Abhishek to answer. I want everybody to answer. You're all there in my class. Oturda, yes. Don't hesitate. Even if you are wrong, it's fine. No problem. Oturda, good. Second one, this one.
Rond-point.
Rond-point. Good. Next one.
Argon.
To Dhruva Agosh.
Yes, Agosh or Tourne Agosh. Both are right.
Yeah.
Tourne Agosh. Next. Left, yes. Left. Traffic signal. Next one.
Adua.
To Dhruva Adru.
Adruvat. Yes, not Udruva. Tourne Adruvat or Adruvat.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, next. Next one, sixth one.
Passage cloud.
Passage Cloute. Yes, the Passage Cloute. Le Passage Cloute. And next one. This is a bridge. Okay. For your understanding, I'm telling you this is a bridge. So what will be this?
Traverse la river.
Traverser la rivière means it's cross the river. But here it is the bridge. So traverser le pont. Cross the bridge. Okay. And the last one, 8.
Throw Droit. Straight.
Sudhrva, yes. Sudhrva. Fine. Okay, take down this. I will show it in half. First 5 and the remaining 3. Take the screenshot. Done with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Okay. Now first you take the picture, screenshot of this picture, because after this I will be showing only the paragraph or the exercise. Okay, I will not be sharing this map. So you take down the map picture, then we can do the exercise. Done?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So now, before going into the exercise, I want to clear it. Okay. So you have four exercises, four questions. Okay. So all the four questions are based on this picture. So the first question starts from here, because here only they have marked as number 1. Okay. And the second one starts from here, and the third one is from here, and the fourth is from here. Okay, fine. So this you remember whenever you do this exercise, then it will be easy to follow. Okay. Now I'll do the first one. The remaining 3 you are going to do. Now the first one. Pardon, madame, pour aller à la pharmacie, s'il vous plaît. Okay, pardon, madame. Pardon means excuse me, ma'am. Okay, to how to go to the pharmacy. So he is asking. Here it starts, the conversation starts here. So he is asking, excuse me, ma'am, how to go to the pharmacy? Where is the pharmacy in this? Okay, so the pharmacy is here. Okay, so from here, the person has to go to this place. Okay, now if you see the map, there are so many possible ways for you to go. Okay, they can go from this side to reach the pharmacy here, or he can go this way and they can reach the pharmacy here, or they can go straight and turn and they can reach the pharmacy here. Anyway, by seeing the map, you can give the way, but you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to follow the paragraph. Whatever route they are following in the paragraph, if you follow that, then you will get the answers easily. Okay, now don't have your way or your direction. Follow a sentence, follow the question, and through the question you reach the destination. Then you can fill the blanks which are given in between. So this is the first rule you should remember. If you remember this, then it will be easy. Okay, so now we'll see. Alors, vous dash. So we, again, the first blank, the very first blank, they have given the subject, and after the subject immediately it is a blank. So in a sentence, when you have a blank immediately after the subject, then this should be a verb. Okay, this should be a verb. So we have seen 5 verbs. What are the 5 verbs? Aller, faire, traverser, tourner, and what is the other one? Faire. Okay, so which verb will come here? We don't know. Then wait. Next sentence, read the complete sentence. Vous passez devant la boucherie. Vous passez devant la boucherie. What is devant la boucherie? Where is boucherie? Find out in the map, the keyword. Okay, so here is boucherie. Can you see boucherie here? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So she is telling, vous passez devant la boucherie. What is devant? Devant means in front of. Vous passez means you pass by or you cross. Okay, or you go. Okay, that is the meaning. So you pass in front of the boucherie. So she is telling, you pass in front of the boucherie. So what will be the answer for the first one? Vous allez tout droit. You go straight.
Aller.
Yeah, allez tout droit. You go straight. Okay. Then vous passez devant la boucherie. You will cross in front of the boucherie, or you will pass in front, or you will go in front of the boucherie. Là, puis vous continuez toujours tout droit. Puis vous continuez. What is continuer? Continue. You continue toujours tout droit. What is tout droit? Straight. Then you continue straight jusqu'au feu. What is feu? Signal. Till the signal. So she's telling you go straight. You go straight, you will cross the boucherie, and then you go till the signal. The signal is here. Okay. So you go till the signal. Then là, there, vous tournez dash. There you turn dash. So which side we have to turn, right or left?
Left.
Left. So for this person, it is left. So the left. So tourner à gauche. Okay. Next, vous allez dash. So what will be after turning left? What the person has to go? Straight. So after turning left, go straight. Okay. So tout droit. Tu Dhruva, Vu dash Van Rui Allez La au coin de la prochaine rue sur la gauche. So you dash this name of the street, okay? Van une rue, okay? The street. Allez la, it is there. La means there. It is there. Au coin, at the corner of the next street. Prochaine rue means next. At the corner of the next street, sur la gauche, on the left. So you will reach or you will arrive. Vous arrivez. Okay, that is the meaning. Vous arrivez. So you go straight here. You go straight. You will reach. This is that Van Rue. Okay, this is the name of the street. This, and there in the next street. So this is the first street, and this is the next street. So here in the next street, you will see the pharmacy there in the corner of the left. Clear? This is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If you follow the question, then it's easily you can get the answer. Okay, note down the answers for this. Then I'll show you the remaining 3 questions. I will give you 5 minutes time. Okay, you finish all the 3, then we'll discuss the answers. Have you copied the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first you do the second one. After completing the second one, I'll show you the third and fourth. Done? You finding it difficult? Have you done, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give me the answer. So where they are going?
Bond and Jean Chewy.
Boulangerie. Boulangerie means bakery. Okay. So where is bakery? So they are here. 2. Where is boulangerie? Boulangerie is here. So c'est un peu compliqué. First you give me the answers, then we will discuss. What is the answer for the first one? Vous?
LA is continuous.
Allez continuer. Okay. Allez continuer. You go and continue till the end of the street. Vous allez. That doesn't make sense. So you will write allez
Go
tout droit.
straight.
Yeah. Vous allez tout droit. Vous allez tout droit, continuez jusqu'au bout de la rue, till the end of the street. Okay, then et
Tourner.
tournez and turn.
Yeah.
Et tournez à gauche. Ensuite, vous allez tourner tout de suite à
That side.
that you don't know. Okay. So look at the picture. They are here. Okay. So she's telling allez tout droit et continuez jusqu'au bout de la rue. So till the end of the street. Then turn left. Tournez à gauche. Turn left. Et puis tournez à droite. Then immediately turn right. Okay. So he's telling ensuite vous allez tourner. Then you turn tout de suite. Tout de suite means immediately. Tout de suite à droite. Then you turn immediately at the right. Okay. Prenez la première rue à gauche. Okay, so we are here. Turn right. Then vous allez tout droit. Then prenez la première rue à gauche. Take the first street at the left. Okay. C'est un peu plus loin sur la droite. It is a bit far from the right. So then it is a bit far from the right. So here it is. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now try these two, third and fourth. And now here the subject, if you see, it is tu. It is not vous anymore. It is tu here. Vous means we will write vous allez. If it is tu, you should write as va.
Yeah.
Okay, so finish these two because only 3 and 2 blanks are there. So again 5 more minutes, finish it. Then we'll discuss the answer. Second one you want me to explain again?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now third and fourth. Done? Guys, have you completed?
2 minutes, ma'am.
Still doing? Okay. Still doing? Guys? Answer me. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Completed?
That's interesting.
Sorry? Why you
Yes,
find
ma'am.
it difficult? Done. Okay. Tell me. What is the answer? First one? Wow. First one is wow. Second one?
Ah, gosh.
Gosh. Okay. Which gosh?
True na gosh. True is a gosh.
Two pronoun la. La comes means what? You have Rui. Rui means street. So what should come? Where they are going to the restaurant. Okay, it is very simple. Tu vas tout droit. You go straight, encore un peu, puis tu prends. You go straight, okay, till, and then prendre la, first or second? Premier Rue or second Rue? Second street. Deuxième Rue.
Oh.
Okay. Deuxième Rue. À gauche. Gauche only, no? À gauche. Et voilà, c'est juste en face de la poste. Or wait. No. This is not the answer. This is Premier. What is answer? You tell me. What answer you got it?
First left, then it's
If la comes means la and rui. If this comes means it is understood, you should write it as first or second. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
So what you have written?
Premier, it's first left, na.
First left. Okay. Premier rui, then
Gosh.
gosh. Juste en face de la poste. Okay. So they, okay, thank you. They are coming from here and they are turning here Premier Rue, then tourner à gauche. So it is here, juste en face de la poste. So post is here, post office is here. So this is the way. Fine. Next one. Tu prends là? So what happened? You're not giving me the answer. You done? Yes, tell me. Tu tournes à gauche au feu, puis tu prends la dash rue. Where are they? Première. Okay, première. Première, then rue à droite et puis traverse la prochaine rue, c'est juste là. Where is this cafe? This
Left.
cafe is in front of the hotel, so devant.
Oh.
Or this cafe, even if it is this cafe, they are all in front of the hotel, right? So devant. See, traverse à droite et puis tu traverses la prochaine rue. Then you cross the next street. C'est juste là, devant de l'hôtel, in front of the hotel, sur la droite, on the right. So the answer is devant. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Take a check with your answers. If you're done with this, we can go move on with the next exercise. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we are going to see is countries and nationalities. We are going to see nationalities. So you have some 8 or 9 nationalities here. Find out all the 8 or 9 nationalities. I'll give you 5 minutes time. Trouver et écrivez les nationalités. Find the nationalities. 5 minutes time. Exactly at 9:57, we will discuss the answers. Nationalities. Remember nationalities. It's not a country's name. Okay, nationalities. Have you found at least one?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. If you're done, please let me know. I accept till 9:57. But before that, if you're done, please let me know. I think 8 or 9. Done? Shall we discuss now? Yes or no? How many you found? Sorry? 5.
6.
6. Okay. We'll discuss, we'll get the remaining. Okay. So what is the first one you found?
Kennedy.
Canadian. Okay. Canadian. Okay. First one. Then
American.
American. Second. Sorry. Below American, Chinois, Chinese. Third. Okay. Then
Japanese.
last column, Japanese. Okay. Then first column,
Espanol.
Swiss. Okay. Espanol. 6. Then Suedo. 7th one. Then
Because
a bit louder. What we were telling? Nothing? You couldn't find the 8th one? Find out for this word. Track.
third column last.
From the last, third column. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have 8. You got all the 8 now?
Yes, ma'am.
I think there is one more, but even I couldn't find it. I think 9 are there. Don't know which one is that. Find out. If I get the answer, I will share it with you. Okay. So this is fine. Next. Now we have the crossword. Remplissez les mots croisés avec les pays. So you have to fill this crossword with the country's name. Okay. So they have given the clues with their flag. So by seeing the flag, you have to complete this crossword. Okay. Now from where we will start? We'll start from this. We'll do it together. This one. So what country is this?
French.
France, yes. France. Now complete this one. What country is this? What is the flag? Black, red, and yellow.
Germany.
Germany, yes. So what is Germany in French? Allemagne. Okay, Germany. Okay, then what is next? What is this? You want some time for you to do
Spain.
this? Okay, Spain. Spain. So if this is Spain, what will be this one? You don't know the fourth one? Okay, answer the fifth one then.
Ireland.
Ireland. Yeah, Ireland. Ireland. L-A-N-D. Ireland. Now fifth one. Fifth one is very easy. Japon. Yes. Japon. Okay. Now sixth one.
Italy.
Italy. Okay. So what is this one? Seventh one. Belgique. So what is this one? Russia. Yes. Russia. Ninth.
China.
China.
Sheen. Okay, now the last one, 10th one. What is this?
USA. America.
USA. So USA, what should be the answer? États-Unis, United States. Okay? Take a screenshot of this. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, could you go to the previous one for a second? I didn't take a screenshot of that. Yes, ma'am.
स्टेशन पे हुई कहीं
Sorry?
अभिषेक कुमार
What, Abhishek Kumar?
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Somebody said something, Abhishek Kumar. What is that? Okay. So fine with this? Okay, we'll go with the next one. And now first we will see the meanings. Okay, this is not an exercise. This is just you are learning the vocabulary. Okay, because your exam is MCQ. Okay, you don't have paragraph writing, but otherwise if you are in college, if you have offline class, and then you will be writing a paragraph. For that we will give this vocabulary, this list of vocabulary. So based on that you will be writing a paragraph about your everyday life, like what you do from morning till night. Okay, so anyway, we don't have that exercise. Paragraph writing is not there, but I want you to learn these vocabulary. Okay, so by seeing the picture, give me the meaning. Okay, what is se réveiller? Oh, this is the picture. What is se réveiller? We have seen this word already.
Wake up.
Yes, to wake up. Yes, se réveiller is to wake up. Next, what is se lever?
To get up.
To get up.
To get up.
To get up. Then, préparer le petit déjeuner. Préparer
Making
le
the breakfast.
preparing the breakfast. Very good. Next, faire le lit.
Making the bed.
Making the bed.
Yes, to make the bed. Good. Se brosser les dents.
Brush your teeth.
Brush the teeth. Next. Prondrian douche.
Take a bath.
Take a bath.
Yes,
Yeah.
but yeah, take a bath. But douche is shower. So prondrian douche means take a shower. Okay. Next,
Take a shower.
prondrula peti deshani.
Have
Having
breakfast.
lunch.
Have
No. Wait. Peti deshne is breakfast. Prondra means to take. Okay. So to take the breakfast. Though the meanings are correct, but the exact word is to take the breakfast. Next is deshani.
Ma'am,
What is
can you
deshani?
explain that again? Which word?
No, I'm not getting what you want me to explain.
Miss, may you repeat what does
Okay.
that word mean?
You guys
Okay.
have given me the meanings as to eat the breakfast or to eat the lunch, something you have given. Eat is a different verb. Okay, eat is manger. Okay, that is why I said, though the meaning is correct, here the exact word is prendre. Prendre means to take. Okay, to take the breakfast. Manger means to eat. And prendre is to take. Both got the same meaning, same sense. Okay, but the words are different. Okay, so I want you to learn all the vocabularies. That is why I insisted on that. Okay, déjeuner. What is déjeuner?
Lunch.
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 Dîner.
Dinner.
Dinner. What is s'habiller?
To get ready.
To get dressed up. Yeah,
Dressed
to get
up.
dressed. Yes. Next. Se coiffer. What is she doing?
Combing her
Combing,
hair.
yes. Yeah, to comb. Okay, aller à l'école. Aller à l'école.
To go to school.
Go to the school.
Very good. To go to the school. Arriver à l'école.
Arrive.
To arrive at school.
Arrive at the school, yes. Sortir de l'école.
To
So
come
they are,
out.
yes, to come out. That is leaving the school. Okay, going to the school, arriving the school, leaving the school. Next, balayer.
Cleaning.
To
Cleaning.
sweep. Balayer is to sweep. Okay, next. Étudier.
Study.
To study. Faire des courses.
Shopping.
Shopping. To do shopping. Very good. Faire la cuisine.
Cooking.
cook.
To cook. Yes. Faire la vaisselle.
To wash,
Wash
the
the
To
vessel.
wash the vessel. Yes. Or cleaning. Yes. Or to wash the vessel. Faire une siesta.
Sleep.
Nap.
Yeah.
Small nap. Okay. Nap. Siesta is a small, like for a little time. Next. Sortir le chien.
To go for a walk.
To go out with a dog. Shia means dog. Okay. Sortir is to go out. Shia means dog. To go out with a dog. Marcher.
Workout.
To walk. Marcher is to walk. Next. Lire le journal.
Read the newspaper.
Very good. Read the newspaper. Next. This word is missing. Regarder la télé.
Watch.
Watch the television. Next. Surfer sur l'internet.
Surf
the internet.
Surf on the internet. Okay, you're clear? Okay. I will be giving this when I give the assignment. Okay. Now, based on this, we have one exercise. But not the same vocabulary. But again, by these are the vocabularies. Okay, you have the list of vocabulary here. You have to match these vocabularies with the picture. Which vocabulary for which picture. Okay, now I'll share the screen. You try. I'll give you some time. Okay, associer les mots avec les images. So match the words with the picture. Okay, so first I'll show the 3 rows and then there is two more. I will show this later. Okay, first you do these 3. You have the vocabulary here and match it. Try to. Try to do without checking for the meaning. Try to understand the word in French and then look at the picture and match it. Okay, try to guess the meaning. It will be helpful in the exam. If you don't know, leave it, no problem, but try to match it. Or if you want any words meaning, you ask me, I'll tell you. Is my screen is clear or you want me to enlarge it?
Ma'am, it's clear.
It's clear, fine. Again, 5 minutes time. So exactly at 10:17, we will discuss the answers. Once you're done with these 3 rows, tell me, I'll show the remaining 2 rows. Okay. So on the whole, all the 5 rows together, 5 minutes. If you don't know, skip it, no problem. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think the power has gone. So I will, in case if I got disconnected, stay in the meet, I will join again. Are you done with this? Shall I scroll down the other 2 rows? Guys, can you
Yes,
hear
ma'am.
me?
Yeah.
Shall I scroll down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have the vocabulary with you?
No, ma'am. Actually, we have to
Take a
wait.
screenshot. Take a screenshot of this.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Done? Yes, guys. Shall we discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Give me the answer for the first row. What is this? Okay. Second one.
First one, chatter away, Miss Ami.
Yes. Shate avec mes amis. Okay. This one. Shate avec mes amis. Okay. One. Next. Second.
Regarding
Regar very good. Second one. Then
Fairless.
what is then? No. Yeah. Fairly Mazai. Speaking. Okay. 1 second.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Give me. Oh, no. Still, it's breaking.
Yes, ma'am, it's breaking.
I've changed my connection. So tell me now whether it's breaking or not. How is it now?
It's fine, ma'am.
Now it's fine, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. Okay. Now the third one is Fairlay Magaza. Magaza means shops. Okay. So Fairlay Magaza means to do shopping. That's correct. Third one. Okay. So this is the third one. Okay. Next, what is he doing?
gardening.
Gardening. Okay. The
Gardening.
word for gardening is
Jardiner, I guess.
jardine. Yes.
Jardiner.
Jardine. Fourth one. Okay. Next. What is he doing?
Walk with
Promenade.
Promener le chien. Very good. Promener le chien. To go out, to go for a walk with the dog. Next.
Aller à cinéma.
Aller au cinema. Very good. Aller au cinema. Okay. Next.
Lire.
Tire.
Lire. Lire. Lire means to read. Lire. Okay. Lire means to read. Next.
Cuisine.
Cuisiner.
Cuisine. Yes. Cuisine is to cook. Cuisine. Next one.
Danse.
Dance.
Danse. Yes. Danse. To dance. Okay. Next.
Jouer à
Jouer au jeu vidéo.
Jouer au jeu vidéo. What does this means?
play.
Playing
Play
video
with
games.
the video games. Yes. Jeu vidéo. Jeu means games. Video games. Next.
bright colors.
You mean this one? Bricoler?
Yeah, ma'am.
No.
Dessiner.
Dessiner, to draw. I'll tell you what is bricoler. Bricoler means a small repair works you do by yourself. That is bricoler. Okay, this one. Okay, the next one.
Line.
No. What is this?
Collectioner.
Collectionner. Yes, collecting something. Collectionner. Only collectionner is given, nothing else. Yes, only collectionner. Okay, it can be anything. Okay, next, this one is bricoler. What is the spelling of bricoler? Next, this one.
Écoutez de la musique.
De la musique.
Écoutez de la musique. Yes. Okay, somebody has kept the mute on and you're talking.
Others mute.
Okay. Next one.
Others mute.
Next.
Surfer, sur internet.
Okay. Surfer, sur internet. Okay. Fine. Yes, this is correct. Let's have it. Okay, as this answer. What is this one?
Nager.
Nager. Nager means to swim. Okay. Nager. Next.
Faire du skate.
Du skater.
Fair du skate. Fair du skate. Okay, to do skating. Yes, next one.
Faire du sport.
Fair du sport. Yes, to do sports. Fair du sport. Is it sports? Well, we don't have any word for jogging. Fair du jogging or something like that is not there. No. Okay. Next.
Faire
Faire de la couture.
du
Faire de la couture. Couture is tailoring. Okay. Faire de la couture. Tailoring. Next, last one.
Surface, internet.
That we have already answered here.
Why mes amis?
So here it is actually two
First
people
one
are
it
what
is-
they are doing?
Ma'am,
Chatting. Okay. So this is Chate avec des amis.
First one will be different now.
Yes. First one is to see my friends. Voir des amis. So this is Chate des amis and this one is voir les amis. To see friends or to meet friends. Okay. Okay, got the answer? Check. Done?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. So we'll stop here. Now we will start with the audio from next class onwards. Now answer your attendance. Now, before starting with the attendance, I'll just tell you this is a assignment I will be giving for Unit 3. Okay, so this one only I will be sharing. So this it will be part of your assignment, but you no need to do anything. Okay, just leave it. It's just an attachment, and from this only it will start. So here you have to conjugate with verb pouvoir and vouloir. I will be giving the verbs in between the brackets later when I'll share. Okay, and then you have one exercise for verb pronomino. I think we have already done this in the class. Some 5 sentences. The remaining you have to complete. Okay. Next is again with verb pronomino, that is with reflexive verb. In this exercise what you have to do is observe the text, and souligner means underline. So you have to underline wherever you have the reflexive verb. For example, le matin je me réveille à 6 heures, je me lève, puis je me fais un bon café, après je me lave et je me rase et je me brosse les dents, puis je vais travailler. Je coule les cheveux des gens et je rase la moustache ou la barbe des messieurs. Now this is the first one. In this you have to underline wherever you have reflexive verb. So we have je me réveille, je me lève, je me fais, je me lave, je me rase, je me brosse, et what else? That's all. So you have to underline all these things. Okay, just you have to find out the reflexive verb and you have to underline. That's what you are going to do in this exercise. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one is verb conjugation. You have to do the verb conjugation, the complete verb conjugation. Okay. Je, me, lève, like this. Then tu, her, lève, like this. You have to do the complete verb conjugation for all these verbs. Okay. Next is we did interrogative words, right? You have to understand the meaning of the question, and with the meaning of the question, by understanding the meaning of the question, you should choose the right answer. For example, the first one, dash abit ta grammaire. What is the meaning of abit ta grammaire? What is abit? This word also you know. This word also you know. What is abit? What is ta grammaire?
To stay.
To stay grandmother.
Okay, abite is stay, and ta grammaire is your grandmother,
grandmother.
right? Your grandmother. So what will be the question?
Where?
Where? So out of this three, which word is for where? Who? So that
Who?
you have to write. Okay, fine. That's
Yes,
how you
ma'am.
have to do this. Next is this time. You have to write the time in letters. The same time I have given in the class for you to do. Okay. Next is futur proche. Okay. Conjugate the verb aller dans la phrase suivante. I will be changing this sentence. Okay. It is futur proche, near future. I hope you remember futur proche. Yes, you have to conjugate the aller verb conjugation, and whatever verb you have in between the bracket, write it with the verb. Elles vont faire. Okay, futur proche. If you do these exercises, then it will be easy for you during the exam, when you study, when you prepare, and when you give the exam also. Okay, that's all. Very few exercises, only 7 on the whole. Okay, fine. Are you clear with these exercises? You have any doubt means you message me. I'll clear your doubts. Okay, fine. But I will be posting this assignment later, not now. Okay, I'll give some time for you. Now we'll start with the attendance. Answer your attendance. Dia. Dia. 310. Chirag.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Yash.
Present, ma'am.
Satya Srinivas.
Present, ma'am.
322. Mohammad Asif.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am,
330. Ayush.
330
330.
present.
Sorry, Vishal. Okay. Vishal, Ayush also present. Okay. 332. Sarthak.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. 334. Ritik.
Present, ma'am.
335. Ritam.
Present, ma'am.
336. Akash.
Present, ma'am.
340. Krishna Chaitanya.
Present, ma'am.
342. Samyukta. 349. Tanmay.
Ma'am, 342 is present and 349 also.
Okay. 350.